press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the English class. I did 2 parts in this lesson, next with grandparents, right? First part and second part. So you come to know what I did in the first part and second part. So let's move third part. Point number 10. You have to open page number 111. 111. You have to open the page number 111, dear children. See, you know that while Anjali's grandparents, she listening the news that Anjali's her grandparents going to come and live with them. So that's why she is behaving very rude, she was very angry, fusy more irritating, that bratty mode. So you come to know that all these points earlier, right? So why she was not adjusting to their grandparents? Because she was alone, she's a single child. So that's why she is not adjusting. She don't know the value of grandparents. So if she live with them, she come to know that how kind the grandparents were, right? So let's see what happened next. Point number 10. Look at the point number 10, dear children. So listen carefully what I am going to read. Pronunciation and punctuation. As the days passed, Anjali's anger came down. It was impossible to remain angry with someone who was so kind. Dadi stopped commenting on her clothes and even bought her a pretty t-shirt when they went sightseeing. TV became a divided schedule for the most wanted program on each individual list. Dada helped Anjali with her project and he was a big help with the maths syllabus. He also got Anjali into the habit of reading the newspaper. He read the headlines to her when he waited for her bus to arrive at the bus stop every morning. Anjali's mother worked in an office and she left along with her father every morning. Breakfast was always cornflakes and it was usually sandwiches for Anjali's tiffin. And when her mother got back in the evening, she was so exhausted that cooking food was never great fun. So after first part and second part, we came third part, that is point number 10. As the days passed, so she is going to be adjust with their grandparents now. Who? Anjali, right? So as the days pass, she is going to mingle with their grandparents. See, as the days passed, day by day, eventually, Anjali's anger came down. So what she anger earlier, what she was did a very bad behavior in earlier. Now she is going to be adjust. How she is going to adjust? To see, Anjali's came down. So anger means you know that kopa. It's came down. It was impossible to remain. Impossible. So possible opposite is impossible. Understanding? Possible opposite is impossible. Now it is impossible help to whom? To Anjali to remain angry with someone so kind. So now, so very beautiful word, that is kind. So now she is going to like their grandparents. She is going to mingle, build her bond relationship with the grandparents now. So kind. Now she is only telling here. So anger with someone who was so kind. They are very kind. Who? So kind. Who kind here? So parents, grandparents. They were so kind. Dadi stopped commenting on her dress earlier while grandparents came to their house. She used to commenting to her dresses. So, and eating on restaurants, watching the movies, and enjoying shopping just for fun, and eating that is ice cream. Pop music is totally avoidable. These are going to be avoided. Who? Parents, grandparents, right? Now they also adjusting with the Anjali. Anjali also adjusting. Anjali also going to be adjust with the grandparents now. How? See, Dadi stopped. She is going to stop now to commenting her dresses. To whom does express comments means express an opinion to saying the dress. See, and her clothes, and even bought her pretty t-shirts. So even though she bought a pretty t-shirt, pretty means attractive, good attractive t-shirt too, while she went to sightseeing. It means visiting place of interest in a particular, that is location. Understanding this is the meaning of sightseeing. So when she went to sightseeing, she brought a pretty dress to Anjali, right? So TV became a divided schedule for the most wanted program on each individual list. So here parents, grandparents going to watch that serials. She is watching that other program. Who? Anjali. She like other programs. So parents like other programs. That's why they put a schedule. Schedule means timings. This time they have to watch, this time I should be watch, like this. They make a schedule to watch the television. This is also adjustable to them. See, Dada helped Anjali with her project. So here Dada also helping. Dada means Ajja. Dada also helping her to project work. Project means, what's the meaning of project? Plan to achieve some participation aim, that is we have to plan that one, project plan. See, Dada helped Anjali with a project, and he was a big help with the maths syllabus. He was too intelligent, I think so, because he is helping the maths subject to Anjali. That's why he was educated person. So he is going to help the maths syllabus for Anjali. See, he also got Anjali into the habit of reading the newspaper. She didn't habit the reading a newspaper. That's why her grandparent, it means her Dada, going to make a habit to read the newspaper to Anjali. He read the headlines to her when he waited for her bus to arrive at the bus stop every morning. So every morning she used to go in the bus. That's why while she will go arrive in the bus stop, and that time what Dada used to do, he used to read the headlines of the newspaper. So it is very easy to remember to Anjali. Understanding, dear children? So here it is very help to project. Dada going to help the project work to Anjali, and even though maths syllabus, and also he is helping to cultivate the habit of newspaper. And while she used to arrive in the bus stop every morning, and that time what he did, Dada, he waited for her bus to arrive at the bus stop every morning. He read the headlines of the newspaper. So he brought newspaper on that time, and he read that headlines. It's easy to remember to Anjali. Understanding, dear children? So here Anjali's mother worked in an office. Anjali's mother also a working woman. She used to work in office. She was a working woman, and she left along with her father every morning. Every morning she take a lift to her husband, and her husband, she leave her in an office, and he went to other office. See, breakfast was always cornflakes, and it was usually sandwich for Anjali's tiffin. While she will go Anjali to her school, always in her tiffin it was cornflakes or may sandwiches. Corn means jola, understanding? So nourishing ready food, you know that. So cornflakes and sandwiches, it means 2 pieces of bread. So with it filling between some that one vegetables or jam. So here cornflakes, and it was usually sandwiches for Anjali's tiffin. So these Anjali's tiffin, Dada watched all these things, and when her mother got back in the evening, she was an exhausted, and that cooking food was never great fun. So here, even though she is going to work in office, it means office work. You know that she was a working woman. After her work in an office, again she came back to home, and she will do the house work also, cooking, cleaning, washing, so everything she used to do. So it is very difficult to her maintain the office work and housework. It is very difficult to her, and she was very tired to facing all these problems. Understanding, dear children? So let's move on the 11th point, that is 111 page. Look at the page, dear children. But now Dadi had taken over the kitchen. She actually said she was getting bored of doing nothing. Dadi was a fantastic cook. Suddenly they were served divine parathas and sabzi, mithai and pakoras, salads and pickles. Anjali mother could now slow down a little and rest in her feet. She even had more time for her daughter. She was also satisfied that her child was in the most caring hands possible. Till one day when the grandparents announced, "We are thinking of going to Rita's place for a while." So in the 11th point, see what? But now Dadi had taken over the kitchen. So to seeing all this situation, means Anjali's mother used to go office, she worked there till evening, and again came back, she will work in the house, it means cooking, cleaning that, and so all these things she watched, and she taken the kitchen. So it means she also told us, she actually said she was getting bored to doing anything. Actually old people, you know that they used to do regular work, understanding. So here also she told that I am getting boring because of no work, right? So that's why she taken over the kitchen, and Dadi was a fantastic cook. What's the meaning of fantastic? It means extraordinary, good cook. Suddenly they served divine parathas. It means suddenly she used to make a parathas, served divine parathas, means religious service. She liked to serve the family members divine parathas. Parathas means chapati, sabzi, palya, that is mithai means sweets, and pakodas, you know that pakodas. Salads, it means in Kannada kosambri, and pickles. Pickles means uppinakai, right? See, she made all these things quickly. Anjali's mother would now slow down a little and rest in her feet. So she is, you know that she was in a busy schedule. Anjali's mother, she was in busy schedule. So wake up early in the morning, make a breakfast, and make her daughter to be ready. So tiffin, all these things, and she used to go office and that work, and return home at evening, and used to do in a home remind works. So all these things, it is very terrible to her. She was very tired. So now she is going to take a rest. So little rest going to take so little and rest for her feet. Now little rest taking her to her feet. See. So why? Because of Dadi only she is taking rest. She even had more time for her daughter. Now because of she was I told you already earlier she was on busy schedule. That's why she won't give time to her daughter also. So, office work, household work like this. She is very busy on those schedules. She didn't give a time to her child also. It means Anjali also. So now she is going to little free because of Dadi. So now she is going to give more time to her daughter. Right? See. She was also satisfied. She was satisfied now that her child was in the most caring hands possible. Now she is satisfied. Earlier she was not satisfied at all. Why? Because she was thinking that my child is not, no one is caring to my child, no one is there because I am a busy schedule. So that's why she was thinking about that. Now she is very happy, she is very satisfied and about thinking about child, that is most caring hands it's possible. So all are caring my child, it means grandparents, Dada and Dadi, her grandparents, Anjali's grandparents. That way she was very satisfied about this. Till one day when the grandparents announced, one day what happened, you know, their grandparents, Anjali's grandparents, they announced, what announced, you know? So we are thinking of going to Rita's place a while. While means some days. Some days we are going to think about, we want to go to Rita's house. Who is Rita here? Rita's Anjali's Buva. Understanding? Where she was lived? She was lived in Delhi. Right? Earlier I told you, dear children. So let's we move next. Point 12. Before anyone could say anything, Anjali burst out, "Oh, can I have my room back then? Dada, Dadi, when are you going?" So, still she is child, she don't know what I am going to speaking in front of all. She don't know about all these things. So, she told that while the grandparents announced we are going to Rita's place for a while. So, immediately what the Anjali is telling in front of all, you know, before anyone could say anything. So, it was totally silence, no one say anything. Anjali burst. So, suddenly, burst means suddenly Anjali out. She came out. Oh, so exclamatory mark is given here. She was excitedly telling that, "Can I have my room back then?" So, can I have? So, earlier he left her room to Dada and Dadi. That's why now she is what she is telling, "Can I have my room back then?" So, Dada, Dadi, when are you going? So, she don't know. That's why she is suddenly she is telling like this, "Dada, Dadi, when you are going?" She is asking the question, Dada, Dadi. So, it is very difficult to face the problem for their people. So, what she told now, see, let's check your understanding, dear children. Here questions is given there. Mention the activity Anjali involved in when she was not bratty. It means she made a show of how she had lost her room, and she will not used to talk much, simply she used to sit. Sometimes she behave very bad, right? What made the family feel awkward with the arrival of the grandparents? The grandparents used to get up early, and Dadi used to do puja. These routines, it is very difficult to adjust to the Anjali's family. Right? It's awkward, I think so. Pick out two examples from the 8th paragraph to show that the grandparents objected to their habits. It means eating outside. So we come to know this in that paragraph 8, that is eating outside. It means hotels or restaurants, did not watch movies in theater, and not eat ice creams. Pop music is totally avoidable, short dresses, skirts. So this is all about in 8th paragraph. What did Anjali feel about the house? She felt that as she was suddenly in a prison. So house is totally looking her very small, right? See, describe the change that are mentioned in the 11th paragraph. Anjali's mother got a rest because of Dadi. Her grandmother had taken the charge of cooking because she was a fantastic cook, right? So you come to know about all these question answers, dear children. Point 13, let's we go. Point 13. The silence that followed the terrible, and only Dadi had some kind and general words to fill it with. So she suddenly told that, Dada, Dadi, when you are going? Very excitedly she said these words. So this silence make their parents very bad this situation. So and what happened, to filling this situation, Dadi told something. So this silence, that so total house was too silence on that time. The terrible and Dadi had some kind to general words to fill it. Something she told. Who? Dadi. Because of Anjali told all these things, that's why something she told and filled the situation, adjust the situation. Who? Dadi adjusts to listening the words of Anjali. She adjusts the situation. Later apart means distance from her room. She already you know that earlier she was very anger to leave her room. That's why she asked, I think so. Anjali got the worst fearing. So worst means poorest quality. She had very received from her parents. So her parents also convinced her to all about these things, what is happening in the house. Anyhow, she had what she had wanted, and in 2 days time they were a nuclear family again. So after 2 days, while they back to while they went to Rita's house, that's why again they came in nuclear family, again two small family, but it was a lonely achievements. So there was no one to come home to but the silly TV. So how she is feeling now? Who? Anjali. She is feeling very bad now. No one is there talking with her now. Only TV is there. Silly TV. Silly is referring here. See, silly TV is there to watch. There was no one to talk. No one is talk there to in front Anjali. Her mother was again harassed and overworked. So strained. Harassed means strained. Her mother used to do housework and she used to go office. So again she came to a regular routine and she was very harassed. Harassed means very strained and overworked. So again she is going to overwork in office and housework. Again she was busy. Her father also was too busy. Now she is alone. She is simply sitting and watching the television and like this. But most with the time for anything or anybody. So harassed, and she was no time. Her mother haven't time to talk with her child. Understanding? Earlier, while Dadi helped her, she gave some time to her child. Now she is not giving. But most of all the noise and bustle of one big family had faded into silence. So it was too big. she felt that Anjali felt that it was too big family while Dada and Dadi live with us. It was too big. We was very happy. Again, it was there is no sound at all. There is no noise at all. Basil means move in an energetic and a busy manner. They used to move like busy manner. They involved to every activity to Anjali, who Dada and Dadi. So there is not at all. No one is there. No one is there to help me. No one is there to talk me. Who is thinking here? Anjali is thinking there. Again, nuclear family. No one is. Only walls is there. So my mother went to office. My father also went to office. No one is there to talk me. So where is that noise? One big family had faded. Faded means disappear. What's the meaning of faded? Faded means disappear. No one is there to talk with me. So fade, it is totally fade now into silence. So faded family, it is faded, disappear. Now house became too silence. So she is feeling all these things, dear children. Who? Anjali. The house suddenly looked too big. Earlier what she told, my house totally is too small. So now I was in prison, she thought earlier. Now what she is thinking? So my house suddenly too big. Why? Dada Dadi is not there, grandparents is not there. So now she come to know the value of grandparents, dear children. Understanding? So we have to respect the parents, grandparents. Understanding? So if there in our house means it's charm to us. They used to mingle with us. They used to tell some stories to us, some incident, what happened in their life, events, right? It's very interesting to listen, right, dear children? So it is, so they have to live with us means it is good. So concluding the paragraph, when the phone rang the following night, just like they had expected it would. So all are, it means Anjali's parents and Anjali also thinking this. So if we will ring, phone may ring, they are thinking that. So ultimately phone rang the following night, just like they had expected it. They also expected that maybe Dada, Dadi going to be called. Right? It was Anjali who ran and picked it up to say. So she ran and pick up the phone and saying that Dada Dadi, when you are coming back. She was come to know the value of Dada Dadi now. Understanding? She facing a lot of problem now. No one is there help to her. No one is there to solving the problems, or maths syllabus, or my project work, reading newspaper. So fun in her house. So all these things recall. She was recalled and suddenly she went near the phone and she picked the phone and told that Dada and Dadi, when you are coming back. Right? So this is the nature of a child. She don't know the value earlier. Now she came to know the value of grandparents. Right? We have to respect the grandparents, dear children. Right? So very interesting lesson, right? I hope you understood all these points. So, and value of grandparents. So lesson completed, dear children. So the grammar part I will continue in the next class. Until that, take care. Thank you.